FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. Here is a short and clear English speaking topic on women empowerment, useful for conversation practice, speeches or writing. Women empowerment. Introduction. Women empowerment means giving women the right to make their own decisions and live with freedom and dignity. Importance. Empowered women can improve families, communities, and even countries. They can work, lead, and inspire others. Equality. It means treating men and women equally in education, jobs, and rights. Girls should have the same chance as boys. Education for girls. Education is the first step. An educated woman can support her family and raise educated children. Challenges. In many places, women still face problems like early marriage, low wages, and violence. These must be stopped. Conclusion. Empowering women is not just good for women, it is good for everyone. A strong woman means a strong society. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe our channel.